Alright, welcome back. Super quick video. By far the easiest way to get the readouts of the resistance in your pickups. Some people say they always want to know. It doesn't have a lot to do, or it does have a lot to do with the sound, but it's debatable on how important it is. But people will say, oh, a hot pickup has this many 15.6k ohms as resistance. And they would like to know that. So if you're selling a guitar and you'd like to list your pickups, this is the easiest way by far how to find it. You need a few simple tools. You need pen and paper. And I'm going to do two guitars in this video. You need a very inexpensive voltage meter right here. I think you can get these at Harbor Freight for about 10 bucks, 10 bucks, somewhere in there. You need a set of these alligator clips that clip on to the ends, just to kind of give you an extended reach. Very inexpensive. And you need a just your typical guitar cord. Now I have here a PRS Silver Sky, gorgeous guitar, and a guy is asking what are the readings of the pickups. So here we go. Very quick. This on the tip, the very tip of this is always the hot or the live, and then the sleeve or the main shaft here is always ground. So as you can see, I hooked up the red lead there to the live, and the ground is waiting to be touched by me, which will then give us the reading. So when I do this test, I'm going to take this and just touch it right on here, and I'll get the reading that I'm looking for. Okay? So once again, you got your voltage meter. Make sure you set it right here. This little symbol is ohms, the omega symbol, I believe that is. And you want to turn it to that 20k because you want the readings to be in the thousands. I know that's kind of confusing, but just put it on the 20k ohm reading. So when we measure the pickups, you can get the correct number. Alright, so here we go. So we have, make sure that all of the controls are in the full max position. This is the bridge position of this guitar, so let's quickly measure the resistance of the bridge. Okay, let's go ahead and plug the guitar in, just like we would. Plugged in. Okay, and now we are going to take this negative lead and just touch it to the terminal. And there's our reading. So 6.22. So we have the bridge pickup is 6.22k. Alright, there's that one. Let's do the middle. Same thing. Switch to the middle. Touch our ground to the pole. And the middle is 6.23. You want to wait, if the number's jumping around, you want to wait till it stabilizes. Alright, let's go ahead and write that down. So we have 6.23. Alright, let's do the neck. Click it to the neck position. Touch our ground. And 6.24. Alright, so 6.24. Those are your readings for a Fender, or a oh man, what a Freudian slip there, huh? This is for the Paul Reed Smith Silver Sky John Mayer, and you can check them again. So we got 2.5 on the neck, 2.5 on the middle, 2.4. So sometimes it'll jump around. If I touch the ground a little bit harder to the pole, it'll drop down a number. So if you kind of loosen the ground off in your hand, it can jump up. But these numbers here should all be within 6.23, 2.4, 2.5, somewhere in that range is acceptable. And that's all based on how expensive your meter is. Alright, let's do one more real quick. Let's go ahead and unplug this, and we'll set this down, and bring up my all-time favorite. This is a 1996 made in Mexico standard strap with 60s reissue pickups in it. And let's go ahead and do turn everything up. Let's do the bridge pickup first. Okay. The bridge is 5.83. So 5.83K. All right. Shoot to the middle. The middle is 5.89. Nice and stable. 5.89. And simply go to the neck position. And we got 5.76. So 5.76, 5.89, 5.83. So there's your resistance. So we did 2 guitars in the matter of what, 2 minutes? So you don't need to take your guitar apart to get the readings on pickups, but do make sure you have all your controls up at maximum volumes or maximum levels, because that can make it fluctuate. Hope this helped, guys. See you next time.